Hi, I'm Derek, and my fasting sugar levels were at 160 mg when I did my test some time ago. And the doctors basically told me that I was on my way to becoming a diabetic, just like my dad and my brother. And let's just say that it was a huge wake up call to me because I wasn't going to be taking insulin shots for the rest of my life. I mean, I have a wife and kids who I love very much and who really depend on me. And I really had to think about doing something before something bad would happen to me. So the doctors recommended me to take on this medication with these crazy side effects. I mean, I'm talking diarrhea, rashes, significant weight gain. I mean, just not something I thought was really appropriate for me, and I felt it was really unacceptable. So I stopped the drugs and went looking for more natural ways, or I mean, like at least less, side effects. But nothing worked because my blood sugar actually shot up and it stayed up. It didn't go down at all. So, again, I'm also not somebody who exercised, so I knew it was going to be really tough for me. And also, I mean, again, everything that I tried really didn't work. One day, my friend actually came up to me and he told me about this new product called Model Health Essence, which is from Elexira. It's actually the one that's for the sugar control. So I did some digging and I found out that they're actually a legit company. So I signed up and I got myself a month's supply because, I thought why not? It's worth a try because it's really an inexpensive product. The other thing is when I started to take it, it wasn't so bad because it's just about a sash, this little tiny pouch with some water. And when I started taking it, within about 3 days, I started to feel a change in my body. Weird enough as it sounds, the change that I felt right away was that I was less drowsy and sleepy during the lunch hours. So that was actually pretty cool. And just a couple of days ago, I went in to get another blood test and found out that my sugar levels dropped to 110 mgs, which is freaking amazing. I mean, I was so happy to hear that. And even my doctors were just kind of, surprised. How did I do that? God doesn't even exercise. They said, listen, you keep it up. You're just, keeping yourself away from becoming a diabetic, which is fantastic news. So, truth be told, I feel like a huge weight has actually been lifted off my shoulders. And I just wanted to thank the guys over at Elexira for an amazing product. And if any of you are suffering from this as well, I highly recommend you contact them. They'll sort you out. Take the monthly package. It's really worth the money and your life.